So let's understand how STA tool reports setup and hold checks. So we have seen the pictures of the design which we have been looking at. Now, when STA does analysis and reports the timing, it converts first that logic for reporting into what are known as nodes and cells and arcs. So, for example, for STA, this will be a node or a net. This will Q pin will be this Q pin of this clock will be a node. D pin will be a node. Clock pin will be a node, and all the logic from which is connected are converted into arcs. For example, Q pin to A pin of this gate here is an arc. Then there is an internal arc which is the cell arc. So there's a net arc and cell arc. Similarly, DEX logic is converted into arcs. So basically, STA reports the timing using converting this representation to a node and arc based representation. So Q pin will be a node. This is another pin, D pin will be a node. Clock pin will be node, and then there'll be arc from one node to another. Then there'll be a cell. There'll be arc from one cell to another, and this is how it will report timing. Here is an example of STA based timing report. So there is start point. We know what is a start point. It is mentioned here. Then there is endpoint that is mentioned here. Path group is basically what clocks are timing this path. What is a path type? Max means the path is a setup path, or if it's a min delay path, max means it's a setup check. At the bottom, it will tell you clock edge. What is the delay on the clock network? It says propagated. That means clocks are propagated. So you have two stages in STA. One stage is when the clock tree is not built. In that case, some user specified or constraint specified value is used. After clock tree is built, the delay value which is used is actual delay on the circuit. And then at that point of time, STA says it's a propagated delay. What is the transition time or slew on each of these input as it moves forward? The slew changes because of the load, because of going from input of the cell to the output of the cell. Nodes of the designs are mentioned here. What is the library setup time? What is the clock uncertainty value, either user specified or calculated, is used. And at the bottom, it tells whether timing is met or violated. If your slack is negative, that means you are violating the time, or it's not meeting the time. If slack is positive, you are meeting the time. And this is also shown by showing in bracket slack bracket violated, meaning you're not meeting the timing. If this would have been met and meeting met, that means you're meeting the timing. So this is how typically a setup report looks like. STA converts the design into a node and arc based representation, and each of those nodes are represented in a text report. Start point, end point, all the nodes in the design, what are delays on each of those nodes, how the delay is changing as it is going through, and at the end, whether slack you are meeting timing or not meeting timing. This we cover in more detail in our STA advanced course, where we use an open source open timer tool to show you how to analyze the reports in detail.